Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can find restricted messages on Messenger. But before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright, so first I'm going to make one of my chat restrict, and then I'll show you how you can find that and how you can unrestrict it again. And here I restricted a chat. Now to find it, simply navigate to the top left, click on these three horizontal lines and head to settings. Now in settings, scroll down and head over to privacy and safety. In here, you will find restricted accounts. So tap on that and here you can find your restricted chat. Just open it up and unrestrict it. That's how you can find restricted chats on Messenger. So all for today's video guys. I'll catch you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.